Green tea, a beverage cherished for centuries, is not only a delightful drink but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Among its many acclaimed advantages, green tea has garnered significant attention for its weight loss properties. This document delves into the various health benefits of green tea, with a primary focus on its potential role in promoting weight loss and enhancing metabolic health. Green tea is loaded with bioactive compounds, such as polyphenols, flavonoids, and catechins. One of the most potent catechins found in green tea is epigallocatechin gallate, which has been extensively studied for its health-promoting properties. These compounds act as antioxidants, reducing oxidative stress and preventing cell damage, which is critical for overall health and effective weight management. The catechins in green tea, particularly EGCG, play a vital role in boosting metabolism. Studies suggest that green tea can increase the rate at which the body burns calories, even at rest. This thermogenic effect contributes significantly to fat oxidation, making it an effective tool for weight management. Green tea has been shown to enhance thermogenesis, the process by which the body generates heat and burns calories. Catechins and caffeine in green tea work synergistically to promote fat oxidation, particularly during exercise. Regular consumption of green tea can lead to a modest increase in basal metabolic rate, helping the body burn more calories throughout the day. Green tea may help regulate appetite, reducing calorie intake. Some studies indicate that the compounds in green tea can influence hormones related to hunger, such as ghrelin, thereby promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing the likelihood of overeating. While green tea can contribute to overall weight loss, it is particularly effective in targeting visceral fat, which is the fat stored around internal organs. Excess visceral fat is associated with various metabolic disorders, including insulin resistance and cardiovascular diseases. By reducing abdominal fat, green tea not only aids in weight management but also enhances metabolic health. Green tea's catechins and caffeine content can enhance physical performance by increasing fat utilization for energy and improving endurance. This makes it an excellent addition to a fitness regimen for those looking to shed pounds. Green tea encourages the body to use stored fat as a source of energy during physical activities, thereby promoting fat loss. The antioxidants in green tea can minimize muscle damage caused by intense exercise, facilitating quicker recovery. Green tea has a stabilizing effect on blood sugar levels, which is crucial for weight management. By improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood sugar spikes, green tea helps prevent the storage of excess glucose as fat. Chronic inflammation and poor gut health are often linked to obesity. The anti-inflammatory properties of green tea can mitigate these issues, promoting a healthier gut microbiome. A well-balanced gut microbiota is essential for effective weight management and overall health. Green tea is a calorie-free beverage when consumed without sugar or milk, making it an excellent alternative to sugary drinks. Staying hydrated with green tea can help maintain energy levels and support metabolic processes without adding extra calories to the diet. Although green tea contains caffeine, it also has L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and better sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for effective weight management, as poor sleep is often associated with increased appetite and weight gain. Stress and emotional eating are significant barriers to weight loss. The calming effects of green tea, thanks to L-theanine, can help reduce stress levels, curbing the urge to consume comfort foods. To maximize the weight loss benefits of green tea, consider choosing high-quality green tea without added sugars or artificial flavors. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily can provide sufficient catechins and caffeine to boost metabolism and fat burning. Green tea works best when combined with a balanced calorie-controlled diet. Drinking green tea before workouts can enhance fat burning, and consuming it between meals may help regulate appetite. Regular consumption over weeks or months yields the best results. Several studies have demonstrated the effectiveness of green tea in promoting weight loss. A meta-analysis published in the International Journal of Obesity found that green tea catechins significantly increased fat oxidation and weight loss. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicated that green tea extract enhanced calorie burning and fat utilization. A study in the Journal of Nutrition revealed that participants who consumed green tea extract while following an exercise regimen lost more weight than those who exercised without supplementation. While green tea offers numerous benefits, it is essential to consume it in moderation. Excessive intake may lead to side effects such as insomnia, stomach upset, or iron absorption issues due to its caffeine and tannin content. Individuals sensitive to caffeine should consider decaffeinated green tea. Green tea is a versatile and healthful beverage that can play a significant role in a weight loss strategy. Its ability to boost metabolism, enhance fat oxidation, and promote overall health makes it an excellent ally for those seeking to shed pounds. Combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, green tea can be a powerful tool for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. By incorporating this ancient beverage into your daily routine, you can harness its myriad benefits for both body and mind.